This video will provide Untitled students with instructions for using the Academic Tutoring Center's paper submission service. The paper submission service is a supplement to our regular one-to-one, in-person, or remote tutoring with Untitled professional tutors. Unlike our regular services, the paper submission service allows students the option to submit their papers for Untitled professional tutors to review and provide comments. This service is a great option for students who are unable to come to campus or do not have time or a quiet space for an online session with an Untitled tutor. To use this service, we will start at the Academic Tutoring Center's webpage. A link to our page will be provided in the description box below. When you get to the Academic Tutoring Center's webpage, scroll down about midway on the page and you will see a blue button with the words "Submit your paper." When you click on that button, you will be taken to our paper submission form where you will be uploading your paper. If you are not already logged into your school account, you will be prompted to enter in your banner, username, and password. After doing so, you will be redirected to our paper submission form. At the top of the page, you will see a description about this service that you might want to take a moment to review. After reviewing the description, you will now be able to fill in the paper submission form, providing us with your first name and last name, your banner ID number, your school email account, and details about the class and the assignment you are submitting. The form will take you roughly 5 minutes to complete. You will have the option to give us information about what you would like the tutor to focus on, and you will upload the file that you would like the tutor to review, along with an upload of the paper instructions. If you do not have a copy of the paper instructions available, you can also copy and paste the details of your assignment into the final question in the form. Once you have completed the form and hit submit, a page will appear letting you know that your paper has been submitted. You will also be given a link to schedule a one-to-one session if you believe you need additional assistance in a one-to-one format. You will also receive a message in your school email confirming your paper submission. You should expect an email response from one of our tutors within 48 to 72 hours, depending on whether you submit your paper during a weekend. Our tutors will provide comments and information that will help you revise and improve your paper. Students are allowed to submit their paper through the paper submission service up to 2 times. If you need additional assistance after that, we will ask you to schedule a one-to-one session with the tutors. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have questions about the paper submission service or any of our other services, please feel free to reach out to us using the contact information listed here.